Hello friends, welcome back on Gadi 360. If you are looking for a cruiser bike with a powerful engine, bold look and impressive performance, the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is one of the best options for you in the Indian market today. This powerful bike is priced starting at 4.10 lakh, while its top model is available for 4.25 lakh. For those with a limited budget, finance can be good option. If you want to purchase it on finance, you will need to make a down payment of just 21,659 rupees. The bank will provide a loan with an interest rate of 9.7% for a period of 3 years. After that, you will have to pay a monthly EMI of 13,231 rupees for the next 36 months. About its power and performance. Now let's talk about its performance. The company has equipped this powerful bike with a 648cc liquid-cooled 2-cylinder engine producing 46.40 bhp of maximum power and 52.3 Nm of torque. Additionally, it delivers an excellent mileage of 22 km per liter. If you found this information helpful, make sure like, share and subscribe.